quick question. Is the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master actually worth it? I grabbed one to find out. Let's get into the good stuff. What makes this beast tick? First off, you've got your AMD Ryzen 8700F heart pumping at a blistering 4.1 GHz, 8 cores of pure processing power that'll take on any task you throw at it. And with its B850 chipset, you can bet this thing is rocking some serious speed and efficiency. But what really gets my pulse racing here is the graphics. We're talking NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 T8GB graphics, bringing buttery smooth display goodness and next-level performance to your gaming sessions. This isn't just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse that'll handle even the most demanding games with ease. Now, who needs this? Anyone serious about their gaming, or content creators looking for a reliable partner for their workflow? They need this. You see, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is all about delivering top-tier performance without breaking the bank. Perfect for those on a budget or looking to level up their home setup without sacrificing quality. Here's where things get personal. I wish I didn't have to mention that it could have used some more ports on the front panel. But let's be real, you're not buying this PC just for its aesthetics. You want to future-proof your space and ensure seamless connectivity. 2 USB-C 3.2 for USB-A 3.2, plus a host of other options. You've got all the connections you need right here. So what does it all add up to? This isn't some flimsy knockoff. This is a premium gaming PC that delivers on its promises. And with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support, you're covered from head to toe. That's my verdict. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is a force to be reckoned with. It checks all the boxes for performance, features, and price, leaving me confident that this is a buy you won't regret. Subscribe if you want someone to do the research so you don't have to. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.